गुड मॉर्निंग, अस्सलाम एंड नमस्ते। हम आज ब्रॉडकास्ट कर रहे हैं सागन बैंक्वेट हॉल से बिकॉज़ यहाँ पर आज है दिवाली का माहौल। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं मेरे पीछे सजावट चल रही है, लोग आए हुए हैं, एक फंक्शन हो रहा है। तो आई थॉट कि व्हाट बेटर वे कि हम लोग जाके बाहर ये एक्सपीरियंस करें एंड वी गो टॉक टू सम पीपल एंड सी हाउ दे आर सेलिब्रेटिंग दिवाली इन टोरंटो। क्योंकि इंडिया में अलग तरीके से मनाई जाती है, मगर कनाडा में रहते हुए वी वांट टू नो कि यहाँ के लोग, यहाँ के देसी लोग कैसे मनाते हैं दिवाली। तो कम विद मी और मैं आपको दूसरे लोगों से मिलाऊंगी और एक्टिविटीज़ जो यहाँ पे हो रही हैं वो भी दिखाऊंगी। सो मेक श्योर यू स्टे ट्यून्ड विद मी।
सुरमा कटोरे लगदे छिछोरे बाए हाय फाए दिल पे दराती साडे चल जाती मारे दिल गुलाटी पूछ वाए वाए।
And welcome back everyone. I am at this Diwali event and with beautiful people and I have somebody here very special with me क्योंकि उनके अगर ये नहीं होते तो शायद ये event भी नहीं होता। तो let's go meet Mr. Mathur, right?
Yes, this is Jaideep Mathur from Delhi and NCR exactly from Noida. I am here especially to attend the Diwali function. I had heard so much about Indian community celebrating Diwali and other festivals, so I wanted to come here and join them.
So are you from originally from here? Like, do you live in Toronto?
No, I am visiting here. I am from Delhi. And
तो दिल्ली में तो डिफरेंट तरीके से आप दिवाली मनाते हैं, राइट? तो यहाँ से अगर वहाँ का कंपेयर करेंगे तो कैसा लगा आपको यहाँ का?
फेस्टिविटी अंदर यहाँ पर हॉल में ऑब्वियसली बहुत है एंड लॉट ऑफ enthusiasm which is might not be there in Delhi because it's taken for granted कि दिवाली है. So I find the enthusiasm and the environment.
So overall it was a good experience.
Yes, it's a lovely experience and thank you very much for inviting me here.
Thank you so much for being here and I hope कि हम लोगों ने आपको दिखा दिया होगा कनाडा में रहते हुए भी हम लोग सब कुछ मनाते हैं.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
दिवाली का माहौल हो और हम औरतें शॉपिंग ना करें, ऑफ कोर्स नॉट। हमें तो एक्सक्यूज़ चाहिए होती है कि वी वांट टू गो बाय न्यू आउटफिट्स। तो मेरे साथ देयर इज़ अ रियली प्रीटी, रियली ब्यूटीफुल, गॉर्जियस मॉडल हियर। Chandrima, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing well. Nice to see you again, Millie.
Yeah, same here, and you're looking very nice.
Oh, thank you.
I haven't seen you in a while, but so you're modeling. Whose outfit are you modeling?
This is my sister-in-law's company. Her name is Sidipta, and she represents Maya Indian Fashion House. This is a sari that she has.
Wow, and she makes it look even better. So tell me, how are you going to celebrate Diwali?
We're here right now and celebrating and trying to,
You know, like what do
we
you
light
guys do at home?
diyas, and then we also, I'm Bengali, so we go to the temple and we actually celebrate Kali Puja.
Okay.
So we do a little bit of Diwali at home with lighting the diyas, but we also go to the Kali Bari, which is a Kali temple, and celebrate Kali Puja.
That's awesome. So if anybody was interested in getting these outfits, how can they approach you? Because she's very busy right now selling, so that's a good thing.
She has a beautiful collection, and I really hope you come and check out her style.
And you should definitely buy them because I've been standing here for maybe 5 minutes and everybody is here at this stall. Anyways, we'll come back to you. Make sure you don't go anywhere.
Thank you very much, Marie.
And guys, I'm here with Sanskriti Arts. They're a dance group, I think, dance performers. And I've seen them before and I just saw them perform right now. And you guys were awesome. They're holding their water, so just understand that. So can you guys tell me, like, how was the performance and how did you like the Diwali whole festivities?
It was really good and it looks really glamorous, so we are really glad to be here.
Yeah. So I want to ask you about your school and about what you guys do and how hard did you train for that?
Thanks, Malik. So, Sanskriti Arts is a Bollywood dance company. We are also a dance school. We operate across the GTA at various locations. So, you can check us out online at www.sanskritiarts.ca. We also offer Bollywood dance fitness classes across the city as well. That's something we came up with over the last couple of years. And our performances are seen, as you mentioned, across the city at various events, corporate and private.
Yes, and I've been wanting to go and see their performance, you know. How long did you train for that? How like How long do you guys practice for it? How many
For,
days?
for this
months?
particular event?
Yeah.
Actually, we rehearse every week and takes about, I don't know, what would you say, guys? A couple months. Actually, for big productions, yeah, a couple months sometimes.
But you guys are professionals, right? So it doesn't take that long, right? But anyways, you guys want to wish our viewers Happy Diwali? So 1, 2, 3.
Happy Diwali!
Thank you so much. You guys are awesome.
Hi, my name is Rakesh. I wish you everybody a very happy Diwali. Diwali is a festival of victory of truth over evil. It happened about 5,000 years ago when in the epic of Ramayana, Lord Rama defeated the evil forces of Ravana and established Ram Rajya, so-called establishment of principle of truth, honesty and justice. So when he came back to the city, people gathered and they welcomed him with lights and crackers. So as a matter of principle, it was a victory over the evil. So people celebrate that event every year thereafter. So it's a very old festival, about 5,000 years old, when people became so happy, and we observe this tradition to emphasize that goodness and truth always prevails, and Lord Rama established some principles. We follow those principles and life will be good. So it's one of the most ancient and biggest epic in the history of mankind, which we are celebrating today and everywhere else globally in India and abroad. Thank you.
Today's special Diwali transmission was brought to you by Real Canadian Superstore. Big on fresh, low on price.
Real Canadian Superstore. One-stop shopping at great prices.